I started using OBS in the fall of 24, and 2 months into the fall of 24, I was like, you know what? Where the hell's this pause button? I I, I was like, every time I was doing videos, I would have to hit stop recording and restart. I'm like, there's got to be a pause button. I finally figured out where the pause button was. Right. So I was so happy, excited that I found the pause button. I did a short video on it, and so I went forward. Now I'm getting a little more um, better at OBS since I found the pause button. So I started getting adventurous. So I started doing some playing around with the settings and stuff. And once I did that, I lost the pause button. I couldn't find it anymore. Like, where the hell is this pause button? So I was so happy that I found the pause button. 2 months after I started using OBS, and then 2 months after after I found the pause button, it was gone. I'm like, what the hell did I do? If you're not familiar with OBS, there's a lot of settings. It's a great tool, but I'm just using it for just straight videos. I'm not doing a big production here, like some of these videos that you see on YouTube. So I was like, damn, I lost. I can't find the pause button. This is annoying. So I was looking on YouTube. I kept getting, this is where the pause button. This is where the pause button was. And I said, I just gave up. I said, forget it. I'll figure it out. And sure enough, about 2 weeks ago, without even knowing, I figured out. I wasn't even looking for it. I just happened to stumble across it. So let me show you my OBS. So here's the pause button, right? I mean, it's right in front of your face. I don't even know how I missed it the first time. But anyway, here's the pause button. Um, I was putzing around with some of the settings because I had this camera, and of course, it never works the way um, it's supposed to work. So I was putzing around with the settings, and here's what I figured out. What I found out. The reason why I didn't see the pause button is somehow because what I did is when I was playing around with the settings, I went into output, and this output mode right here, there's a drop down. I can't do the drop down now and show the other option, but the other option is advanced. So I had it on advanced, and since I had it on advanced, this pause button disappeared on me. So I was like, oh, that's it. I found it. So now I have it I have the settings back to simple, right? And there's my pause button. So I'm not touching that ever again. I'll stick with the settings I have. And yeah, so that's it. I just wanted to share that with everybody. Um, I'm so happy I found that pause button because it's getting quite annoying stopping recording and restarting, and I don't cut and edit. I'm not that advanced in this thing. I'm pretty simple minded person, right? Keep it simple, stupid. That's me. Um, all right, well, that's really it. Enjoy the rest of the day. Bye.